The Tata Women's Premier League, or WPL, witnessed a landmark event on November 27, 2025, as its first ever mega auction unfolded in New Delhi. This pivotal occasion, as reported by India Today, triggered widespread engagement among cricket enthusiasts and sports media, marking a significant moment for women's cricket in India. The five formidable franchises, Royal Challengers Bengaluru, Mumbai Indians, UP Warriors, Gujarat Giants, and Delhi Capitals, engaged in fierce competition, strategically rebuilding their squads with substantial financial commitments. This mega auction represents a watershed moment, fundamentally reshaping the competitive landscape of the league. The day's proceedings were dominated by high-stakes bidding in strategic acquisitions, setting the stage for an exhilarating 2026 season. The intensity of the auction was immediately evident, with veteran Indian fast bowler Shikha Pandey becoming the day's most expensive acquisition, commanding a record-breaking price of ₹2.40 కోట్ల. This significant move, detailed by India Today, saw UP Warriors secure Pandey after an intense bidding war with Royal Challengers Bengaluru, highlighting the strategic importance placed on experienced players in this new era of the WPL. The auction floor was a battleground for talent, particularly for marquee players who are expected to redefine franchise compositions. Shikha Pandey's record-breaking transfer to UP Warriors for ₹2.40 కోట్ల was a standout moment, as confirmed by India Today. Pandey, a former cornerstone of Delhi Capitals' bowling attack for the first three WPL seasons, now spearheads UP Warriors' rebuilding efforts. Beyond domestic talent, international stars also garnered significant attention and investment. Gujarat Giants made strategic moves to bolster their roster, securing England's Danny Wyatt-Hodge for ₹50 lakhs, adding crucial international batting experience, according to India Today. The franchise further strengthened its lineup by winning a competitive bidding war for Australian all-rounder Georgia Wareham, acquiring her for ₹1 కోట్ల. This acquisition, also reported by India Today, saw Gujarat Giants outbid Royal Challengers Bengaluru in a closely contested battle, underscoring the high demand for versatile international players capable of making a significant impact on the league. The WPL 2026 mega auction featured numerous other significant signings that will shape the upcoming season. Pooja Vastrakar, an Indian all-rounder, was acquired by Royal Challengers Bengaluru for ₹85 lakhs following intense bidding with UP Warriors, as per India Today. Mumbai Indians successfully brought back Sajana to their squad for ₹75 lakhs, reuniting with a familiar face. West Indies all-rounder Deandra Doughton joined UP Warriors for ₹80 lakhs, adding powerful international presence to their team, India Today reported. Gujarat Giants utilized their right-to-match card to secure Kashvi Gautam for ₹65 lakhs, a strategic move to retain promising talent. Additionally, Rahila Fierdes was picked up by Mumbai Indians at her base price of ₹10 lakhs, demonstrating value acquisitions alongside high-profile bids. Overall, the auction saw a substantial ₹40.8 కోట్ల spent across 90 players, a figure highlighted by India Today. This significant expenditure underscores the franchise's unwavering commitment to strengthening their squads and investing in the future of women's cricket for the highly anticipated 2026 season. The widespread interest in the WPL 2026 mega auction was evident through trending search queries such as WPL 2026 auction live and WPL auction 2026 date and time, indicating real-time fan engagement, according to India Today. The appearance of specific player names like Shikha Pandey, Amelia Kerr, Lauren Bell, and Grace Harris in trending searches suggests these athletes were among the most sought-after talents, generating immediate social media buzz and sports commentary. This mega auction format represents a fundamental structural shift for the WPL. Unlike previous incremental changes, this format allowed franchises to completely overhaul their squads, leading to heightened interest and competitive intensity throughout the day, as observed by sports analysts. The aggressive bidding for international players such as Georgia Wareham and Danny Wyatt-Hodge signals the franchise's commitment to elevating the league's global profile and competitiveness. The retention of star players like Deepti Sharma and Amelia Kerr, combined with these new acquisitions, suggests that the 2026 season will feature significantly strengthened and more balanced squads, as indicated by search results and league observers. The financial implications of the WPL 2026 mega auction are substantial, with the ₹40.8 కోట్ల expenditure demonstrating a significant investment in women's cricket. This financial commitment, as reported by India Today, reflects the growing commercial viability and robust stakeholder confidence in the long-term future. Such investment directly translates into improved player compensation, enhanced infrastructure, and increased visibility for women's cricket across India. The fierce bidding wars, particularly for players like Shikha Pandey and Georgia Wareham, indicate a healthy competitive balance within the league. This suggests that no single franchise holds overwhelming dominance, promising a more competitive and unpredictable season ahead, which is expected to generate higher viewership and engagement. For Indian players like Shikha Pandey and Pooja Vastrakar, the mega auction represents crucial career inflection points, with their valuations reflecting their market demand and perceived impact on franchise success. The significant contracts secured by international players further legitimize the WPL as a premier global competition for women's cricket, attracting top talent and solidifying its position on the international sporting stage.